Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT. Today I'm going to show you a screen recording of a video that I made for the Ablenet Blue2 Bluetooth switch. Um, this is a switch that a speech therapist who worked for our district previously had ordered as part of a grant, and we had not had any students that were using it. And so I have a student who has an iPad, and I was looking at a way of trying to help her be more independent and less dependent upon an adult. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video that will show. I am so excited to show you how I have been able to set up the Bluetooth, Ablenet Bluetooth switch for one of my students. I found the Ablenet Bluetooth So hopefully this is helpful to you. Um, I knew about this switch and that it integrated for a couple of years now, but um, I guess I just didn't really have the knowledge and the awareness to kind of go in and really just play with it and get to know it. So, hopefully, you found it helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please feel free to reach out to me on email at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram at theassistivetechot. Thanks so much.